5G Weather Overview, a nice shot of a rainbow. And this is from Jersey City looking into New York City. And this was sent to Lee Goldberg on Twitter. And this was about 5 o'clock this afternoon. So a nice shot there as we've got a frontal system moving through. And this is going to make it sharply colder for tonight into tomorrow as we await an early spring setback. And there will be many over the next several days. The joys of last week where we were enveloped in sunshine and a lot of mild temperatures are unfortunately gone for the time being. And we're going to have to deal with some very changeable weather over the next 7 days or so. I think that as we get into the mid to latter portion of next week, temperatures will try to warm up as we get rid of the jet stream pattern that's going to bother us for the foreseeable future. But until then, it's very changeable, and we can see the front on the weather radar right now. We've got areas of moderate to heavy rain moving through, and even a rumble or two of thunder moving through the immediate tri-state area right now from west to east. There's plenty of showers over Connecticut, moving into eastern Long Island, and a scattering of showers back over northeastern New Jersey and the lower Hudson Valley as the back edge of the front starts to move through. And once that does, our temperatures are going to tumble. So by the time we wake up tomorrow morning, it's going to be blustery and cold with temps around freezing in and around the city, and north and western New York City well below freezing. It's going to be a rude awakening for your Thursday. And then we're going to have to deal with a storm system over the weekend, which is going to really play havoc with our weather in terms of at least the first part of the weekend. So we've got this cold, chilly flow that's going to move in. Some of the areas of the inland in the northeast part of the United States will get some snow flurry action tomorrow. And I wouldn't be surprised if even in and around the city we see a few flakes during the day tomorrow, but nothing too crazy. But don't be surprised if during the portion of the day you see some wet snowflakes move through, as we've got a vigorous trough of low pressure that's pushing in, and it's going to lead to very blustery conditions for most of the day on Thursday. And this will be with us through Friday, but lots of sunshine, and it'll feel warm in that sun, so that'll help a little bit. But the air will be unstable, and that's the reason why I think in the afternoon there could be a shower or two, at least tomorrow. And then Friday, we await the storm system that's going to bother us to come up. And Friday will be mainly dry, and even into Friday night. So we'll start off the weekend dry, but then this low pressure will move in from the Gulf of Mexico, and that'll deliver 1 to 2 inches of rain for a good portion of Saturday. It looks like Saturday will be a washout. There'll be some inland snow, but it'll be way up into the Adirondacks area of New York State. So I don't think snow will be an issue here. It'll be a windswept, soaking rain, and the winds will be coming out of the south. And then this storm will move off on Sunday morning, and what will be left over is this southerly flow, and another storm will develop, and that'll sort of linger offshore, and that may present some lingering coastal flooding issues for Sunday into Monday for areas just along the shore. But you can see how by about Monday morning, a new storm is kind of meandering offshore, and it's a good 200-300 miles offshore, but it's still going to cause some onshore winds and maybe some tidal flooding. So even though the rain will be long gone by Sunday, we may deal with some onshore flow tidal flooding issues for people along the immediate shore, and then we'll see some sun gradually take over Monday into Tuesday, but it looks like it'll be cloudy for most of the day on Sunday as we get rid of that Saturday soaking system. And then for Tuesday, we'll see lots of sunshine. Highs will be in the 40s to near 50. And then a weak front will kind of meander through on Wednesday. And if you're looking forward to the Met game home opener next Thursday, it looks like arriving clouds, but that rain, at least for now, will stay just offshore for the Met home opener for next Thursday. But you have to keep an eye on that if you have plans to go to the first ball game of the season. So here are our temperatures. You can see the dramatic drop from today to tomorrow with highs only in the lower 40s, and that's a few degrees below normal, even for this time of year. And then Friday, highs not really getting out of the mid-40s once again, and the winds are going to be kind of relaxing by then, which is a good thing, so it'll feel a little bit warmer, but still temperatures in the mid-40s. And then Saturday, a rainy day, windswept soaking rain with highs around 50. And then Sunday, we get rid of the rain. We have some lingering problems near the coast if you're in one of those coastal communities that deals with coastal flooding at times of high tide, as we have a pair of storm systems, the one that's leaving on Sunday and then the other one that's forming behind it. That may cause problems in coastal flooding on Sunday with highs around 50. And then Monday, lots of cloud cover. We probably won't see temperatures go down much at night because of the aforementioned cloud cover, but highs will be generally around 50. And then Tuesday, we'll try to break out into some more sun, and those temperatures will stay around 50, but it'll feel much nicer with the return of some sunshine and highs around 50.